morning everyone. My name is Sanvi Misra from LKG Section C. Welcome to our project display. Today I will talk about my project wild animals. Wild animals are live in the forest. Wild animals are hunt them own food. Wild animals are very dangerous. Wild animals are found in zoo. Some wild animals are big and some are small. We should not hurt them. We need to protect them. There are different types of wild animals like tiger, lion, bear, hippopotamus, zebra, elephant, giraffe, monkey. Tiger. Tiger is a national animal of India. Tiger runs very fast. Tiger like to eat meat. Lion. Lion is the king of the jungle. Lion runs very fast. Lion like to eat meat. Bear. Bear color is black, white, brown. Bear strong is wild animals. Zebra. Zebra color is black and white. Zebra like to eat grass. Elephant. Elephant live in Africa and India. Elephant big and strong animal. Giraffe. Giraffe has long neck and long legs. Giraffe like to eat leaf from tall tree. Monkey. Monkey jump from tree. Monkey like to eat banana. Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus big and strong animal. Hippopotamus like to eat grass leaf. Everyone should take care of wild animals. Save life, save wild animals. Like, share, subscribe my video.